So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-add friends sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Roblox account or yung ating Roblox app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, so makikita nyo naman, pwede nating itap yung add friends dito. So, pag tinap nyo yung add friends, pwede kayong mag-search dito sa search bar ng friends na gusto nyong i-add. So, make sure guys na alam nyo yung username ng friend na gusto nyong i-add. So, pwede naman pumili kayo dito guys. Meron namang sinasuggest dito si Roblox kung sino yung pwede nyong i-add friend. So, for example, is dito sa people you may know. So, pwede nyong i-add itong account na to. Since nga is recommended siya nung account natin. So, tap lang natin guys yung add friend button na nasa account. So, tap nyo lang. So, kapag ganyan yung lumabas, ibig sabihin, kapag send na tayo ng friend request. So, i-confirm niya nung account na yon. And once na na-confirm na nila and na-accept tayo as friends, so, magiging friends na natin sila dito sa Roblox account. So, lalabas na siya dito once na in-accept na tayo as friends. So, dito lalabas yung list of friends natin. So, ayan lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-add friends sa Roblox. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.